Dustin Cole here at Coyote Classics. Today we're working on a 65 Malibu with a 350 in it and replacing the carburetor. Carburetor didn't have a choke on it, so and it was a little off, a little worn, so we're putting a new Edelbrock carburetor on it and getting it all hooked up, ready to roll.
How's it going? I'm Shay Doyle. I'm just detailing this beautiful 1970 banana yellow Dodge Super Bee. It's a beautiful car, got a 383 cubic inch Magnum V8 and a 4-barrel carburetor. Love it.
I'm Riley Wells. I got this 62 Impala, and I'm gonna be changing wheel cylinders in the rear for it because they're leaking.
So this is a 70 Camaro. It just came out of the detail bay, and we got it out in the sun, decided to give it a little bit of a buff before it gets pictured. So I'm just doing that real quick, nothing too fancy. Today
I'm starting off with this 1969 Chevelle. I'm power washing all the underneath. Gonna do all the power washing to the side, the motor bay, wipe it down, do chrome. Right now Blake's over there. He's cleaning off the white wall, getting all that blue off the white. And yeah, we're gonna send it over and just keep cycling. We gotta do a Olds 442 yet, and after that I think Riley's gonna have an Impala ready for us. So we're staying busy today. Gonna be a good day. Hopefully we get a lot of cars done.
This is Mark, how you doing today? First of all, we eliminated electronic fuel injected. We could not get this car to run. We wound up putting just a standard HEI distributor, and we're putting a Edelbrock 750 carburetor on it. I did put a new electric fuel pump on it to operate this carburetor. I run all new fuel line, cleaned up the wiring under the hood, and this thing will run very well when we're done.
Hello, I'm Tim. I'm working on this 72 Mustang. I put door panels on it, painted the door up here, sort of dyed the carpet, did some work on the dash, lubed up all the oil, windows and everything, put tires and wheels on it, and now I'm just finishing buffing it. Spackled the trunk, and pretty nice car.
Hey, this is Brent from Coyote Classics. We had a nice old Malibu here. A customer requested a radio, so we're going to go ahead and put a nice retro sound radio in it with two 6x9s in the back, and hopefully I've got two kickers going in, so it's going to be a 4-speaker system when I'm done. So.
Right now, I'm heading over to take undercarriage pictures on the 1969 Chevelle. This car, Brant spent a couple weeks on just going through. We did all new interior on it, new dash bezels, lenses. Brant got all that stuff hooked up. Did some mechanical stuff on it, but a really cool big black 396 4-speed manual Chevelle.